Satellites used by Canada for fire mapping. Canada, with its vast forests and wilderness, faces the constant threat of wildfires. To effectively manage and respond to these natural disasters, Canadian authorities rely on satellite technology for fire mapping and monitoring. Let's explore the key satellites used in this critical task. MODIS, Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer. Purpose: MODIS, operated by NASA, is one of the most commonly used satellite sensors for detecting fires over large regions. It provides near real-time active fire data. How it works: MODIS has specific channels designed for fire detection. By measuring thermal radiation emitted by active fires, it identifies thermal anomalies associated with burning vegetation. Coverage: MODIS covers a wide area, making it suitable for monitoring large-scale wildfires in Canada. WildfireSat. Overview: the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, developed the WildfireSat system to enhance Canada's ability to manage wildfires. Fire Radiative Power, FRP. WildfireSat consists of satellites equipped with infrared sensors that measure the energy emitted by wildfires. This energy, known as fire radiative power, FRP, provides essential information about fire intensity and rate of spread. Satellites involved: WildfireSat incorporates various existing satellites, including Terra, Aqua, Suomi NPP, Sentinel-3, Sentinel-2, and Landsat-8. These satellites collectively contribute to wildfire monitoring and assessment. VIRES, Visible Infrared Imaging Radiometer Suite. Role: VIRES, another NASA-operated sensor, complements MODIS in fire detection. Capabilities: VIRES captures both visible and infrared imagery, allowing it to detect fires during day and night. It provides high-resolution data for precise fire mapping. Applications: VIRES data assists firefighters, scientists, and resource managers in monitoring fire activity across Canada and the United States. RadarSat Constellation. Overview: the RadarSat constellation is a trio of synthetic aperture radar, SAR, satellites developed by the Canadian Space Agency, CSA. These satellites play a crucial role in monitoring wildfires across Canada. SAR technology: unlike optical sensors, SAR operates independently of daylight and weather conditions. It emits microwave pulses and measures the reflected signals, allowing it to penetrate clouds and smoke. This capability is particularly valuable during wildfire events. Applications: fire detection: RadarSat constellation detects changes in forest cover caused by wildfires. It provides high-resolution images that reveal burned areas, active fire fronts, and smoke dispersion. Monitoring fire behavior: by capturing frequent images, RadarSat helps track fire progression, intensity, and direction. This information aids firefighting efforts and resource allocation. Pre- and post-fire assessment: after a fire, RadarSat imagery assists in assessing damage, estimating burned areas, and planning recovery efforts. Collaboration: the CSA collaborates with other agencies, including Natural Resources Canada, NRCan, and provincial/territorial governments, to share RadarSat data for wildfire management. Sentinel-1. European contribution: although not Canadian-specific, the European Space Agency Sentinel-1 satellite constellation significantly contributes to global fire monitoring. Dual polarization SAR: Sentinel-1 carries a C-band SAR sensor with dual polarization capabilities. It provides all-weather, day and night observations. Fire detection and mapping: Sentinel-1 detects fire-induced changes in vegetation structure and moisture content. It helps create accurate fire maps and assess fire impacts. Open data access: Sentinel-1 data is freely accessible, making it a valuable resource for Canadian authorities and researchers. Integration and decision support. Data fusion: combining data from multiple satellites, e.g., MODIS, WildfireSat, RadarSat, and Sentinel-1, enhances fire mapping accuracy. Integrated datasets allow for comprehensive monitoring. Decision support systems: Canadian agencies use Geographic Information Systems, GIS, and decision support tools to analyze satellite data. These systems aid in real-time decision-making during wildfire emergencies. Public awareness: satellite-derived fire maps are shared with the public through platforms like the Canadian Wildland Fire Information System, CWFIS. Public awareness helps promote safety and preparedness. Canada's approach to fire mapping involves a synergy of national and international satellite systems. These technologies empower firefighters, emergency responders, and policymakers to mitigate wildfire risks effectively.